like this. Shout. What will you shout? Fire! 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 Mommy, fire! Daddy, fire! You hear? What will you do?
Fire.
Once you see fire, what will you do? Eh?
Fire.
What did you do? You run away, yes. Once you see fire, run away. Run! Run and shout fire, fire, mommy, fire, 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 fire. You run away. Yeah. Don't stay behind though. So that fire will not cut our hand like this. Fire will not burn our hand. You want fire to burn our hand? No. Yeah. So we'll run away and call mommy. So when you see fire, the first thing you need to do is raise alarm. Shout fire, fire, fire. I'm trying to, in fact, the next person beside yourself will even respond more than you. Then immediately you call the number. Call 767 112. Once you raise alarm call, immediately you escape. You run out. In fact, once you call fire, you run out. There is no need calling. You call out, you run out. It is your duty. Shout fire and run out immediately. You can even run out and start shouting fire. You know it is not your duty to use to fight fire. It is not your duty to fight, to use the fire extinguisher. But I'll teach you how they use it. But it is not your duty to touch this thing. It is not your duty to play with it. If it falls on your leg, it will injure you. So don't go near it, don't play with it. Once you run outside, go away from that area. Like here in this school, there's a place. Like here in this school, this is what is called assembly point. Assembly point. I'm going to teach. Then this one is called fire notice. What is this one called?
Fire notice.
Then this one is called assembly point.
Assembly point.
Let me tell you their duty. Fire notice, very soon it will be installed there. This is where you see all the fire stations in Lagos State. You also have their different numbers. The one that is closer to you, you take it, you check it there, is Ejibo Fire Station. They have a big fire truck. I'm going to also tell your management, your principal, that they should also bring you along, come and bring you to our, you can even do a short excursion to our station. You come and see our big fire truck, the way it operates. You see water coming out from it. You see everything coming out of the way they fight fire. You come and see. They will show you all the parts inside that fire truck. Or we call it fire appliances. So this one is fire notice. You have your emergency number and all the stations. Then this one is called assembly point. Do you know the uses of this assembly point?
No, sir.
Yes. It will be installed very close to the gates. It is called a safe. That area which the assembly point will be installed is called a safe zone. A safe zone. Let's say there is fire here, God forbid, you just run to where the assembly point is, very close to the gate. So every one of us here will assemble there. We will know who and who has not come to the assembly point, so that we'll go and get the person. Assembly point is moving from an unsafe zone where there is fire to a place where there is no fire. That is the uses of this one. It will just be installed something like this. very close to the gate, and everybody assemble there. When it now goes out of hand, everybody will run out of the premises. So this one is called, I told you, when there is fire, raise alarm, call fire service, evacuate, run outside. Some people, when they are running, they'll keep on matching themselves, even as we are plenty. Yes, you know, when you are running, some people will fall down. You see some people matching one another. That's why when your teachers are around, they are the one that will coordinate you. Hey, take it easy, take it easy, take this way, come here, don't run, stay like this. And in the process, we used to tell people that once you are running, like in the staircase, you know, okay, don't let me, it's not even for your own side. It's not for, you have to be careful of electricity. Now, you know, nobody should touch electricity. When you touch electricity, now you know that person will